Captain Luis Santos.
Roar, the ugliest of them all,
Yes.
said my father,
You are under arrest.
said one of the beasts. They pulled father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered seeing the delicious fruits they were eating. Then suddenly, we heard a voice call.
Consuelo. Oscar. Consuelo. Oscar. Consuelo. Oscar.
We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw father hanging on a tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. And they cried, "Vengeance! Vengeance! Vengeance!" Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was a sign for us to find a shelter in our hideout. But I could not leave my invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Cannons were firing from everywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and cried, "I love vengeance! Vengeance!" No, Oscar.
Question sir no
Vengeance is
ipasas
God's.
kita ni mother may mother nakatingin ko
But I cried out,